15 in a level 3 Narayana integers. The question is given as there is a proton and the proton is moving along the x-axis. If the proton motion equation is given as t equal to under root of x minus 50 t by 10, we have to find average velocity for 3 seconds. So here the concept is only one, that is finding average velocity. So average velocity formula, if you remember, we already done this in the classes, like when we discuss about the AC circuits, we find out that IRMS and I average, right? The same formula will be used. So the concept is we have a V average or V average formula. We have a V average is equal to integral of a V dt by we have a integral of a dt. So that's the only concept that we use. Integral of a V dt by we have to use integral of a dt, and from the given equation we have to find the velocity as a function of a time, and we have to integrate it or substitute in this formula. That's the only concept that we use here. So please remember the formula. V average is equal to integral of a V dt by integral of a V dt, right? That's all the problem. So therefore the given equation is, let's say logic number 1. Let's say we have a logic number 1, we have a given t is equal to under root of x minus 50t by we have a 10. Therefore I could say that this is nothing but t square is equal to we have a x minus 50t by lava 10. Therefore we have a x is equal to 10 t square plus we have a 50 into t. That is a position versus time, but one velocity, therefore differentiated. If we differentiate, we will have a v is equal to 20t plus we have a 50. So that is the velocity of the velocity of the proton in the function of a time. Therefore we have a logic number 2. The logic number 2 is we're gonna find out a v average. Therefore we have a v average is equal to, I told you formula, integral of a v dt by we have a integral of a dt. Integral of a dt. Substitute that velocity function, that is integral of a 20t plus we have a 50 into dt by we have a integral of a dt, that is from 0 to 3. It's also from 0 to 3. Since in a denominator that will become a 3 because the total time is a 3 seconds. Therefore if I integrate that above equation, we'll have a 20 t square by 2 plus we'll have a 50 into t by we have a 3. And anyway we have to apply the limits from 0 to 3 here, and here also from 0 to 3, right? So therefore that will become 20 into I have a 9 by 2 plus I have a 50 into 3 by I have a 3. Therefore the answer will be answer is 80 meter per second. Answer is equal to 80 meter per second. So that's the V average. That's the answer for this problem. Therefore we have a V average is equal to 80 meter per second.